Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's idiom is 三思而后行. 三思而后行. As you can see from this picture, its equivalent idiom in English is look before you leap. Today's idiom from Confucius is often used to remind someone to think carefully before doing something. It's often used when advising people about to make important decisions. First, as usual, let's break it down. 三思而后行. 三 literally means three, but in ancient text, 三 means many. 思 means to think, 思考. 三思 together means think 3 times or think many times, or in English, and or then. 后 means after or later. 行 means to act, as in 行动. So putting together, think carefully and then take actions. Today's idiom from Confucius is pretty simple and straightforward, but every Chinese use a lot in everyday conversations. I would make it even easier for you to remember by dropping ho. So there's this variation of this idiom. So in everyday conversation, we would just say 三思而行, which means think first, then act, or think thrice before you do. Think 3 times and then act. Okay, let me show you some situations that we would use this idiom. The first situation is to think carefully about what you are about to do before you do it. For example, 发重要工作邮件的时候，在你点击发送之前，需要三思而后行。发 means to send, 重要 important, 工作 work, 邮件 emails. 的时候 means when something happens or when you do something. So when you send important work emails. 在 blah blah 之前 means before. 你 you 点击 means to hit or to click. 发送 is the button of send. 之前 means before you hit the send. 在你点击发送之前 means before you hit the button of send. 需要 means you need. 三思而后行 look before you leap. Another example, 辞职可是个重要的决定，你要三思而后行啊。辞职 means resignation. 可是一个 means is exactly a very important 重要的决定 decision. 你 you 要 have to think thrice before acting. 你要三思而后行啊。As you can see, it's often used when advising people about to make important decisions. Next example, it's also sometimes advise someone to think about possible problems or consequences before you do something. As in this sentence, 三思而后行，否则你会后悔的。三思而后行，否则你会后悔的。Think twice before you act, otherwise you will regret. 否则 means otherwise. 你 you will 后悔 regret. The last example, simply, 凡事要三思啊。凡事要三思啊。凡 means every. For every matter, you need to think twice. Okay, that's the Chinese idiom 成语 from Confucius we learned today. Please repeat after me for one last time. 三思而后行. Great, thank you, and talk to you next time.